Good morning, students. Today we will do the part 5 of continuity and differentiability, and today we will do the properties of logarithm. Okay, some properties we have to do. And look here, if you are given to you a power x equal to b, a power x equal to what is b, and you have to write in form of log. Or how we can write? Look here, log, this base is what is a, so you can write here a, and this value is this b, and that is equal to x. So this power format you can change in a logarithm format. Okay, logarithm we write in short form log, okay, only. Okay, this is very important. Now look here, if you have, this is log and a and b, okay, then you can write here log a plus log b. And here this base is not given. Base is not given means generally the base will be e. Base is what is e. And similarly, if you have log, three numbers are given to you, then also you can write log a plus log b plus log c. Okay, understand this? Now look here, if you have base is e, means if you have this log e, that value will be 1. Why we have 1? You can understand that actually the base is what is e, and e that is equal to 1, means if you want you can write in a power format that e power 1 equal to e. Okay, e power 1 equal to what is e. So you have this if you have this log e, means you can write here 1. All you understand this? Now look here, if you have log a power m, a power what is m, that you can write m log a, that you should know. This power you can write in multiplications. Okay, as you have here a and a, both side you have a, then what you can write log a plus log a. Log a we have 2 times, so you can write 2 log a. So you will write direct that log a power m equal to m log a. And look here, if you have in divide a upon b, that you can write log a minus log b. All you understand this? If you have log a upon b, what we can write? Log a minus log b. Now these all formulas I will mix and write a complicated formula that I can write here a power m, b power n upon c power r. Okay, that what you can write. Look here, you can write first log a power m, b power n minus log c power r. Okay, this minus you can write here by this formula. And now you can write here log a power m plus b log b power n minus log c power r. That again you can write, use this formula, and you can write here m log a plus n log b minus r log c. So look here, if this is given to you, you can write direct this also. Means power you write in a multiplication format. Okay, and if it is given in multiple, this a b are given in multiple, you can write in plus. And second, this power also you can write n log b, and in divide means you have to write here minus. So all of you understand this? Look here, if you are given to you log root x, log root x means here what you can write here, log root x meaning is x power 1 upon 2, and 1 upon 2 you can write in multiplication log x. This type you can write. All of you understand this? So this will be also very important. So you understand this log power formula. So your next exercise will be very simple for you. Now look here, we will do derivatives of function power function. Okay, look here, y equal to fx, y equal to what is given to you, fx, that is power is gx, means one function is given to you and second function is given in power. You have to find dy by dx. How we can do? Look here, these you will take log on both side. Okay, you will take log on both side. What we get? Log y equal to log fx and power gx. And by the logarithm properties, we already know that this power we have to write in multiplication form. So you can write log y equal to gx into log fx. All understand this? Now look here, you have to differentiate with respect to this, differentiate with respect to x. So log y, what is the differential of log? Log differential is 1 upon log x differential is 1 upon x. Log x differential is what is 1 upon x. So here log x differential is 1 upon x means log y differential is 1 upon y, and y differential is dy by dx you can write. Okay. Next is here you will use the multiplication rules, that u into v. So first this gx as it is you can write gx is as it is, differential of log fx. Log fx differential will be log differential is 1 upon fx, and fx differential is here f dash x you can write. Okay. Next is here log fx is as it is, log fx is as it is. Now differential of gx is you can write here g dash s, g dash x. All of understand this? Now you write in a proper way that dy by dx equal to this y you can transfer, bracket you can mark, gx upon fx into f dash x plus log fx into g dash x. Okay, this is the, and y, what is y? Y is you will put the value, so we will get here dy by dx equal to fx power gx and gx upon fx into f dash x. You can write in starting g dash x log fx. Okay, all of you understand this? This is a very simple, that here this you are given to you y equal to fx power gx, you will take log on both sides. So log y we will get log fx power gx. Now log y equal to gx into log fx. Now differentiate with respect to x, mean log differential is 1 upon, so 1 upon y, and y differential dy by dx. Here you will use the multiplication rule, that gx is as it is, and log fx means 1 upon fx, fx differential is f dash x plus now log fx is as it is, and differential of gx is g dash x. Now you write in a proper order, and value of y you will put. This is a method. We have to do the differentiate log x power cos x with respect to x. How we can do these type questions you can understand. You can write here, this is y equal to log x whole power cos x. Okay. Now we take log on both side, log on both side, log on both side. So what we get, look here, here we will get log y equal to log bracket log x whole power cos x. Okay, now this cos x will be in multiplication, log y equal to this cos x we have to write in multiplication. So what you can write, cos x into log bracket log x, this type you get. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x, means what we get, look here, log y differential is what is 1 upon y dy by dx. Okay, cos x differential is what is minus sin x, and log x is as it is, means this second part is as it is, plus now cos x is as it is, differential of log x. Differential of log x means first you do this outside log, means you have log x means 1 upon x, means place of x is what is 1 upon log x we will have. Now log x differential is 1 upon x. Okay, so these all you have to arrange. So what we get, dy by dx equal to y, you can in multiply, you can write first these because this is a positive. So you can write here cos x upon x log x. Okay, this is, you can write minus sin x into log x. Okay, and y is log x power cos x, so you can write here, so dy by dx equal to log x power cos x bracket close cos x upon x log x minus sin x into log x. All understand this? Now question number 2 is differentiate x power sin x plus sin x power cos x. How we can do this? Look at this, you will take y equal to x power sin x plus sin x power cos x. Look at, these are given two terms, so you have to suppose here first term is u and second term is v. Okay, first term u is equal to here you can write u equal to x power sin x and v equal to sin x power cos x. Understand this? Now you have to differentiate, then you will get dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, now look here, this is your equation 1. Now first of all you have to find du by dx, then we will find dv by dx and you will add. Okay, both you will add, you will get dy by dx. So first u is given to you can write u is given to you x power sin x. Now you take log on both sides, take log on both sides. What we get, look here, when you take log on both sides you get log u equal to log x power sin x, and this power will be transferred to multiplication, so you get log u equal to sin x into log x. Okay, now we have two functions, sin x into log x, so multiplications rules you will apply here. Now you write here differentiate with respect to x. So log u differential is what is 1 upon u and du by dx. Okay, sin x differential is cos x and log x is as it is, plus sin x is as it is and differential of log x is 1 upon x. Okay, now you write in a proper order, so du by dx you can write here this transfer u. Okay, you transfer, and what is the value of u? U value is x power sin x, x power sin x bracket, you write in a proper order cos x log x plus sin x upon x. This is the du by dx. Similarly we will find for the second also. Here v is what is given to you, sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x. Now here also you take log on both sides, take log on both sides. Okay, so what we get, look here, log v equal to, you can write here log sin x power cos x. Okay, sin x power cos x. This you can write log v equal to cos x into log sin x, and now you differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Log v differential is 1 upon v and v differential is dv by dx equal to cos x differential is minus sin x and log sin x is as it is. Okay, Now second time cos x you will put as it is, and log differential is log x means 1 upon x, so log sin x will be 1 upon sin x. Okay, you will have here 1 upon sin x. Okay, and sin x differential is what is cos x into cos x. All of you understand this? Now 1 upon v you will transfer, you will write dv by dx equal to 1 upon v. V value is what is sin x power cos x. Okay, and you write in a proper order. First you write this part cos, you can write cos x, and this cos x and sin x you can write cot x. Okay, so you can write here cos x into cot x minus sin x into log sin x. So look at this is dv by dx we get, and here we get du by dx. These both you will put here in this equation number 1, you will get dy by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to x power sin x log cos x log x cos x log x plus sin x upon x plus sin x power cos x into cot x minus sin x into log sin x. Simple, you have to write in a plus both, you will get the answer. This is a very important question. This is a, look here, this differentiate, you have to do x power sin x and sin x power cos x, both are given in a power and here is given plus. So what you do, you will suppose first one is u and second one is v, u and v, you will get now this portion differential, you get dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is equation 1. So first you take log, you take differentiate, you do, you will get du by dx. Similar the second you get dv by dx, and these du by dx and dv by dx you will put in equation 1, you will get this. Okay, so this is your answer. Look here, we have to differentiate cos x into cos 2x cos 3x with respect to x. First of all, we have to suppose this is equal to y equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Okay, now you take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. What we get, look here, log y equal to log cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Now we know the property of the logarithm, that in log we have a property log a into b into c equal to log a plus log b plus log c. So this property you will use here and you can separate them. So we can write here log y equal to log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Okay, this you can write. Now you differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so differential of y, log y will be 1 upon y, and y differential is dy by dx. Similarly here, differential of log you do first. If log x given means 1 upon x. Okay, so this is log means here log x means 1 upon x, place of x is cos x, means you can write 1 upon cos x. Now cos x differential is minus sin x. Okay, plus similarly here log differential is 1 upon x, means here 1 upon cos 2x, and cos 2x differential is minus sin 2x, and 2x differential is into 2. Okay, this is into 2, plus here again this log differential is 1 upon cos 3x, then cos 3x differential is minus sin 3x, and 3x differential is into 3. You write this in a proper way. Look here, this dy by dx you can write here sin x upon cos x is what is this y, you can transfer, Sin x upon cos x is what is minus, this you can write 10x. Okay. Similarly here minus 2 and sin 2x upon cos 2x you can write here 10 2x. Next is you can write here 3 and sin 3x upon cos 3x you can write here 10 3x. 10 3x. All understand this? Now y, what is y? You can put again this value, that is dy by dx. dy by dx is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, bracket minus 10x minus 210 2x minus 310 3x. This is your answer. Okay. If you want this minus, you can take outside, then you can write dy by dx equal to minus cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x and 10x plus 210 2x plus 310 3x. All you understand this? This is a very simple question we have. You have to differentiate this root of x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5. Look here, you will take here y equal to, first of all y equal to, you can write here, this is y equal to x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. The root meaning is power is what is 1 upon 2. Root meaning is power is 1 upon 2. So you can write x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 whole power 1 upon 2 you can mark. Now we take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Look here what we get. You take log on both sides. Log y equal to that here will be log and x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 and 1 upon 2. This 1 upon 2 you can write in multiplication, 1 upon 2 and log bracket x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Now we know the multiplications rules of the log. This multiply means you write in plus, divide means you write in minus. So what we can write, look at log y equal to, you can write 1 upon 2 bracket log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2 minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. All of you understand this? Look at multiplication means you write in plus and divide means you write in minus. So you will get this line. Now you have to differentiate with respect to x. So log y differential is 1 upon y and dy by dx. This 1 upon 2 you can write as it is. Log differential is 1 upon x. Log x means 1 upon x, means place of x you have x minus 1. So what you can write, 1 upon x minus 1. And x minus 1 differential is 1, so need not to write. Here also 1 upon x minus 2 and into 1. Minus 1 upon x minus 3. Minus 1 upon x minus 4. Minus 1 upon x minus 5. So these you will get here. Now this y you have to transfer, so you get here dy by dx equal to y upon 2 and this as it is you have a 1 upon x minus 1. This as it is we can write. Now place of y you have to put the value of y again, that is the final answer. So dy by dx equal to 1 upon 2, then you have this root x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5 and in multiplication we have 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 5. This is your final answer. Hope you understand this. Thank you and a nice day.